Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how to trade on a consolidating market? In the next 3 minutes I will show you a good strategy for ranging markets on the 5-minute Bitcoin chart. Let's get right into it. First, we need to figure out what a consolidation looks like. For this, we are going to look at some indicators. Go to TradingView or whichever chart platform you use. Go to Indicators and search for EMA. Click on it twice, as we need 2 of them. Go into one of them, change the length to 50 and make it a yellow line. For the other EMA we will change the length to 200 and make it a white line. Adjust thickness like you want. Now what we are looking for is a market with a lot of crosses between the white and yellow line in quick succession. Here, the EMA moves downwards and they are not crossing much. This is a trending market and not what we need. Here is a ranging market. Note how there are a lot of EMA crosses. Since we identified our ranging market, it is now time to add our final indicator. Go to Indicators and search for Range Filter 5 minutes. Take this one. Go into the style settings and remove Range Filter, High Target, Low Target, Buy Signal, Sell Signal, High Target Range, and Low Target Range. We are now looking for a cross of the white and yellow line. A cross in EMA generally means that a trend is switching around. In a consolidating market, however, it works a bit different, but we can apply the same methods. Here is a cross. We will then look at our current candle. It needs to be green and above both of our lines. All of these indicate that a trend change is about to happen. Generally, price likes to snap back to the EMA lines. We enter a sell position here and as a target price aim for the yellow line, but slightly above. We hit our target. Before we look at the buy signals, take your time and like the video. It would really help my channel. For a buy signal we will once again look for a cross in EMA. Then we need to see a price below the yellow and white line. The candle needs to be red for this one. This signal is valid. Target profit will be slightly below the yellow line. Another winner. Let's look at a couple more signals. Here is an extra you can do once you hit take profit. You open a position into the opposite direction. This works best when price respected the EMA 200. Here is an example. And that's all for this video. Hope it helps. Subscribe for more and see you next time.